Hi everybody. I'm walking down on Arlington Avenue and let's check out the shops and the stop over here. This is Arlington Avenue in the Bronx. Hola mi gente, estoy caminando en una calle que se llama Arlington Avenue y Crooked Avenue. Crooked Avenue en el Bronx. So I'm walking down on Arlington Avenue over here in the Bronx to check out the avenue. All right. You saw those third motorcycle bikes? They're illegal in New York City, but people still ride them. Ustedes ven estas motocicletas de tierra, son ilegales aquí en la ciudad de Nueva York, pero la gente todavía la montan. Alright, so this is Harlem Avenue. So this is basically a residential part over here in the Bronx. Let's check out the artwork over here, the street art. Vamos a chequear el arte callejero aquí. Look how pretty. If you judge people, you have... This is Mother Teresa. Alright, let's keep walking around Arlington Avenue. Vamos a ir caminando en Arlington Avenue. So this is basically a residential area in the Bronx. Esta es una parte del Bronx residencial, más residencial que de negocio. Aunque hay muchos negocios aquí en esta avenida, pero es más esta área es más residencial. Vamos a ir caminando. Alright, let's keep walking. Alright, remember, if you like my videos, please give me a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Acuérdese, si le gustan mis videos, por favor, dame un like, comparta y suscríbase a mi canal. Gracias. Let's look at the street art over there. Aquí tenemos más arte callejera. Este es Colin Powell. Very nice. Muy bonito. Vamos a ir caminando en la avenida de Arlington. And this looks like a Latin restaurant where they serve Latin food. Alright, this is Bond Avenue. Ahora estamos en una calle que se llama Bond Avenue. Vamos a seguir caminando. So as you can see, this area is very quiet. This is Boston Road. Over here coming up. It's not like Fulham Road, which is full of business and places to go. Over here is more residential, more relaxed. Aquí estamos en Arlington Avenue y Boston Road. Y como ustedes pueden ver, este barrio es más callado y no como Fulham Road, que es bien aborotado, con muchas tiendas y muchos lugares donde ir y cosas. Aquí estamos en Boston Road. That's a White Castle over here. Ahí tenemos un restaurante que venden hamburgues pequeños que se llaman White Castle. Castillo Blanco. Aquí en el Bronx. All right. So I'm waiting for the light over here to change. All right. Ya la luz cambió. Hay una gasolería. That's a gas station right there. Alright, so it's a very nice quiet walk over here from the train station, from the number 2 train in White Plains Road and Arlington Avenue. So es una caminada bien tranquila cuando uno se baja del tren 2 en Arlington Avenue y White Plains Road aquí en el Bronx. This is Radcliffe Avenue. All right. I just wanted to show you the difference in the neighborhoods in the Bronx, like this being more quiet residential than the video that I did before about Fulham Road, which you could check on my YouTube channel, which is a lot of people walking around, a lot of stores and a lot of shopping and everything. Here it's more calm and more relaxed. So like I say, it's a residential neighborhood and it's very nice. I just wanted to show you, you know, the difference between the two. This is Golden Avenue. All right. And that's the bus 26 that runs down Arlington Avenue. Esa era la guagua 26 que corre por toda la avenida de Arlington. La avenida de Allerton, aquí en el Bronx. Oh, let's check out more artwork. Más arte callejero aquí. Vamos a chequearlo. All right, very nice. Muy bonito. Vamos a seguir caminando. Aquí tenemos una pizzería. All right, so let's keep walking. This is Hunt Avenue in Arlington Avenue over here in the Bronx. See how pretty the residential houses over here. Mira qué bonito las casas residenciales aquí. Alright, so remember, if you like my videos, please give me a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Acuérdense, si les gustan mis videos, dame un like, compartan y suscríbanse a mi canal. Gracias. And let me know in the comments any place that you would like me to go visit in New York City, and I will try to go there. Déjame saber en los comentarios a donde ustedes quieren que yo vaya. Si quieren que yo vaya a un lugar específico en la ciudad de Nueva York, yo trataré de ir para enseñarles esa área. Mira qué casa más bonita ahí. Look how pretty the houses over here. Alright. Beautiful architecture over here. Muy bonita arquitectura ahí. This is Laconia Avenue. Esta es una avenida que se llama Laconia y Arlington.
بعد حسابه.
Look, more pretty houses. Más casas bonitas aquí. Alright, this is Yates Avenue and Arlington Avenue. Alright. Beautiful architecture over here. Muy bonita arquitectura aquí y de las dos partes. Alright, this is Heaven Avenue and Arlington Avenue. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this walk, and I see you next time. Alright, until next time, hasta la próxima, a la próxima fois, agua.